reminds me of when I was 17. We would walk by the frozen creek, exchanging looks and more secret things. But now there's nothing but memories between us, a space of 1,000 seas between us, the thread of unraveled dreams and broken seams between us, between us. Nothing but memories between us, between us. Nothing here left to see between us, between us. Nothing more left to be between us, between us. I've been lost. The fog in my mind fills up the space that you